Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the last trading day of the week, 3rd of September, Blessing Friday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD chart and 4-hour chart, as you can see here, from whole week our bias and sentiment was long, and we were trying to find opportunities as pullback long or breakout long. Let me share with you guys how we did today. As you can see, some market basically also help the euro to be strong. Let me share with you the intraday analysis how I did today. If you look at the Euro USD, we had this breakout. That was the breakout from yesterday long, and this morning, just as you can see here, just before the news release, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and after the breakout we have another beautiful pullback long trade here. Just before news release, I explained to my trader, just bank beautiful pips and let's see what's the market reaction. And afterwards, as you can see here, the market developed another six. So we're still looking this breakout. As you can see here, price hasn't broken, but we managed this breakout and this pullback long trade. Still waiting for this breakout. Looks like the momentum is developing bullish. Let's see how it's gonna go. We'll let you know next week. Let's move on to the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trades. Some of the traders are still holding long on pound dollar. If you look at the 4-hour chart, again bias and sentiment is long. We had beautiful at this level, as you can see here, price support level, price nicely respected, and beautiful long trade here. And let me share with you guys how I analyze this level in intraday to refine my entries and exit and bank beautiful pips. Most of my traders have really enjoyed it. Okay, so if you look at just before the news release, and I did this analysis and explained to my trader, look, it's looked like the price has developed a bullish flag pattern, and based on the 4-hour, and if the price is going to respect, then we should be taking this trade here. If you look at it in 4-hour, so we have this breakout, price nicely broken. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the first target, which is always be a fib channel, which price nicely hit the target and bank some profit, and explain to trader, look for another pullback. As you can see here, we had a beautiful another pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the Bollinger Band, explain to my trader, let's bank some profit and let's wait for the news to be released, PMI, and then let's see how that's gonna go. As you can see here, after the news release, the market reaction was a bit mixed. As you can see, explain to my trader, look for another pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback, because if you look at it, the bottom momentum was bullish. That's what we explained to trader, look for another pullback, and the target would be the previous high, which price nicely hit. We banked beautiful profit. And again, as the market develop another pattern, we broadcast that information, constantly communicate with our trader. As you can see, I also updated this analysis in the form of this one and explained to my trader, if you're not sure about this pullback, so just make sure you take this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and after the breakout, price retest, that's give us the confirmation. And that's what we explain to trader. That's what we give them confidence, constantly watching the price movement. Any pattern develop, we broadcast that information instantly, basically trying to push trader to take a positions towards the momentum and towards the trend and bank beautiful pips. So you can see here, pound dollar, still a couple of traders are still holding, and I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, price broken after the breakout, price nicely develop another pullback. So we are long on Euro USD and pound dollar, bank beautiful pips. All right, so dollar CAD, if you look at the dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting trades. If you look at the 4-hour, if you haven't seen my previous analysis review, watch that. Video link is given in the video description. And I was keep telling all of my traders that we're gonna be taking looking for this breakout, this sideways market. And I explained to my trader price action, which is I can explain to you again right now. I say, look, price broke on this one, and then price came back, create a false breakout. That's the significant indication that more likely price might gonna be going down, but we need a confirmation. And that's why you can see here yesterday what I explained to my trader. Look at this price action, and you can see here price develop head and shoulder pattern. And the safest way, we were short here yesterday. If you haven't seen my analysis yesterday, watch, link is given in the video description. And I explained to my trader, every time when the price break the major structure, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we are short and bank beautiful profit, and price nicely hit, as you can see here, this level, which is the support level, nicely hit. So most of my traders bank amazing profit. They bank more than 100 pips on dollar CAD. And let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market, all these 4-hour price action in intraday, and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. As you can see, this was the breakout from yesterday. That's the 4-hour breakout. And afterwards, once the price hit to the final target, I explained to my trader yesterday, just before closing my session, that keep taking a pullback. So this is the place, if the price gonna respect this blue fib channel, just keep taking a pullback. You can see we had another pullback, because the major structure is broken in 4-hour. Keep taking a pullbacks, and this system allow us to give us all the pullback alerts in the system, and through live audio commentary we guide them and bank beautiful pips. So this was the analysis I did for my Asian session traders. And this morning, as you can see, the price was at this level, and I explained to my trader that still we are looking for short, so keep taking it. And that's what I explained to my trader. As you can see here, if the price is going to break this green fib channel or pull back, so we're just going to be taking a short trade here. You can see here afterwards price came back here, develop a pullback as mentioned in the analysis, and also the breakout, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price developed double bottom, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards the news release, we can see here, bank another beautiful short trade, bank beautiful pips. This was the basically based on the London morning analysis, we bank beautiful short trades. And at the New York session, after the news release, explain to my trader, look for this breakout. But after the news release, explain to my trader, more likely interested, we are short, looking for breakout short trade here. As you can see here, the price nicely respected. We were expecting a short trade here, beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit this level, which is the support level, and explain to my trader, either you can move your stop loss at the break even, or you can bank beautiful pips. So we had amazing trades, bank beautiful pips on this one. That's why we do live analysis. As you can see here, that most of the traders bank 105 pips, more than 100 plus pips today. Beautiful pips. All right guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I keep telling you guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and the banking pips in the real time with the help of live intraday analysis, alongside the live audio commentary support and the 4-hour high time frame analysis. This is purely price action trading, guys. And if once you develop your trading skill, we also provide this virtual trading platform where you can practice it. And during your practice, if you perform very well, I can also help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I provide live coaching and training through live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my senior members can help you and show you how we train people through live market and get them funded through prop firm. So even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, and until next time, all the best.